mathibitari maitu thaa ici nĩ tũreka automation as we speak. Safaricom in our public facility so far nĩ ĩkĩte networking about 15 or so. In the next 3 weeks nĩ agire ĩrĩkie all the 157 facilities ĩke networking. Atĩ rĩu yarĩkia networking twĩkĩre computer rĩu bas nĩ tũrĩhotaga kũmenya kũndũ kwĩna ndawa na kũndũ gũtarĩ na ndawa.
Maũndũ marĩa mothe governor agweta matiĩkagwo matahĩtũkĩtio gũkũ assembly. Koguo maũndũ mothe na maingĩ marĩa mamo na marĩa me njĩra-inĩ tũhĩtũkagĩria gũkũ assembly na tũhĩtũkagia thutha wa gũthikanĩria, kũigua, kũrora kana nĩ maũndũ megũteithia mũikari wa Murang'a.
Ũngĩthiĩ na njĩra ĩyo tũrorete na tũkinyie 900 million almost 1 billion iria igũkorwo a record kuma rĩrĩa county ĩno yanjĩrĩirie wĩra wa kũrogota magoti na hĩndĩ ĩyo tũtiongeire ciringi ona ĩmwe na twajivĩte ũguo through automation.
MCS tũgacokeria gavana ngatho mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ward based projects tondũ nĩ tũrahota kũingĩra matũũra-inĩ na nĩkĩo twĩ namba igĩrĩ ithuĩ MCS a Murang'a thĩinĩ wa bũrũri witũ.
Go support women nĩguo makahota gũthiĩ rĩrĩa mohanda makahota gũthiĩ thibitarĩ nĩguo makarorwo nĩguo na rĩngĩ mũndũ akĩgĩa mwana ndagakorwo na complications. Koguo nĩ twakena na nĩ tũrahope our governor nĩ akũrehe more projects cia in support of women.
Nĩ twaigua maũndũ marĩa mothe agĩkĩte nĩ balancete all sectors kuma ũrĩmi, health na ona kũrora mbeũ.
They have adhered to the limitations of the right to access information outlined in the Act. By recognizing KRA in the Duma Ombudsman Award for the edition, the Office of the Ombudsman seeks to inculcate in institutions openness through proactive and reactive disclosure of information and compliance with their obligations under the Access to Information Law. Thank you, KRA. Please receive your award. Hiyo makofi haitoshi, hata kama tunalipa ushuru ndio tujitegemee. We have the next award. The next award is Ugatuzi. It's a different category. It's called Ugatuzi Award category. This is given to our devolved institutions, and these are the county governments. The Duma Ombudsman Award citation, this is for Honorable Excellency Gladys Wanga Nesuna, Governor Omagbe County. This is for advocating for climate change and open governance. Under the leadership of Governor Gladys Wanga, Omagbe County is at the forefront of enhancing access to information at the county level. The county has launched the Climate Information Center, which is used to collect, analyze, and disseminate climate data on variables such as temperature, rainfall, wind, soil moisture, lake conditions, and extreme weather indicators. Additionally, the county has a complaints and grievance department responsible for receiving and reviewing complaints to ensure that appropriate action is taken to resolve them. By awarding Governor Gladys Wanga in the Duma Ombudsman Award, the Office of the Ombudsman seeks to encourage counties to foster transparency, ensure public access to vital information, and establish robust grievance redress mechanism in public service. Governor Gladys Wanga was here, she's left because of our meeting. She says that she's the first county ombudsman, even as others come in to give information. Give it to Gladys Wanga, and the award is being received by a friend, the county, Anthony. Please give a better clap to Gladys Wanga. Because she's my friend. Okay, we go to the next one. The next county governor to receive this award is a very learned man present today. Is none other than His Excellency Dr. Francis Irungu Kang'Ata, Governor, Murang'A County. The award is for digitization of county government services for improved transparency and efficiency. Murang'A County also revenue has notably increased from Kenya shillings 520 million in the financial year 2021 to 2022 to Kenya shillings 650 million in the financial year 2022-2023, attributed to the county government's automation of all its local revenue streams, including single business permits, physical planning, liquor licensing, among others. Additionally, the county has implemented software for the administration of agriculture subsidies, strategically targeting dairy and mango farmers to achieve a guaranteed minimum price for these sectors. This initiative has successfully enrolled 19,000 dairy farmers and 1,000 mango farmers, significantly enhancing the efficiency of subsidy processing. By honoring Governor Dr. Francis Irungu Kang'Ata and the Murang'A County government for their dedication to digitization and citizen-centric governance, the Office of the Ombudsman aims to inspire visionary leadership, setting exemplary standards for transparent and accessible operations in county government. Could you please clap for Dr. Francis Irungu, Governor of Murang'A County and the county government of Murang'A. Thank you, Dr. Francis. The next county government and governor is none other than His Excellency Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Governor, County Government of Makueni, for leveraging technology and innovation for enhanced transparency and social accountability. Makueni County has established an online platform to manage its development budget. This web-based platform serves as a centralized repository